Hi, my name is Allison, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite WordPress plugins, Easy Table of Contents. This is the Easy Table of Contents on our Alpha hosting blog, and this plugin is awesome because it lets you click on these different sections and it'll automatically scroll to make a better experience for your users. So I'm going to head over to my demo site so I can install this plugin. I'm going to go to Plugins and Add New. Then I'm going to search for Easy Table of Contents. Now I've already installed this, but once you hit install, then you can head to installed plugins and click activate. Once it's activated, you can edit the settings. You can let it know where you want it to show, if you want it to auto show up, how many headings you want to be present for it to show up, and all these awesome settings so you can totally customize it for your site. Then also you can pick up which headings you want to show up, if you want them all to show up or just a few. Then you're going to hit Save Changes, and then you can head over to your posts or your page that you want it to show up on. So now that it's already installed, if I go to this blog and I hit Preview, it automatically shows up and I can click and it'll scroll anywhere I want. That's it for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel.